Hello everyone, today we're going to make a very simple and very tasty recipe of Malai Kofta. The combination of soft koftas and creamy gravy is worth a try. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. I have grated 160 gram of paneer. To it, I'm adding 2 mashed potatoes. Note, I had added salt while boiling the potatoes. Adding 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 4 to 5 chopped green chilies, 1/3 cup of chopped coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Few tips to make the perfect koftas. Do not add mashed potatoes while they're hot. The mixture should be as dry as possible. Too much moisture in the mixture will cause the koftas to break while frying. Make round balls like this. Fry them on a medium heat. Too high flame can also cause the koftas to break. Flip them once they start to turn a bit golden. Once they are completely golden, remove from flame. In a pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. Adding 1 inch of cinnamon stick and 3 green cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf. Stir nicely. Once they begin to splutter, add 1 chopped onion. Adding 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. We're going to cook this until the onion turns translucent and raw smell of ginger and garlic disappears. Adding 4 chopped tomatoes. Adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt or add as per your taste. Add 10 to 12 cashews. Cook until the tomatoes soften. Then remove from flame. Remove and discard the bay leaf. Grind the rest into a paste. Now this is optional, but if you want a smooth consistency of your gravy, pass it through a strainer. Add water as needed. Adding 2 tablespoons of oil in the same pot. Adding 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. You can add as per your spice preference. Add the gravy that we had strained earlier. Cook on a medium heat. Adding 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. You can add as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves. 3 tablespoons of cream. Mix everything together. Cook for another minute and remove from flame. When serving, pour the gravy on the koftas and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.